Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock this cute Scallop Backpack in Heartopia Call of Whales event. So guys, this is one of the rewards from the Wellfall Canyon quest. You're going to go to the Wellfall Canyon and open up this menu, the Wellfall Canyon challenge or quest, and then you need to reach level 9. As you can see here, after you reach level 9, you'll get this cute Scallop Backpack as your reward and also Pearl. So keep doing the ocean cleanup hobby. Keep cleaning the ocean, guys, and collecting the resources such as wakame, glasswort, and also the sea grape to level up your level here at the Wellfall Canyon quest. Okay, and once you reach level 9, you'll get this cute Scallop Backpack for free. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the cute Scallop Backpack in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!